Hey everybody, this is Miami City Hall. They had massive window tint failure on their lobby windows, and ICoat, energy saving nanotechnology, restored the windows, and as you can see, they're absolutely beautiful. What a job. ICoat's an incredible product, and your company should be applying it. Why not start off with the most important building in the United States? This is Greg and Lily. They did the whole job. And this is the ICoat website for innovative coating solutions. Give us a call. We'd love to get you involved with ICoat, and you'll love it.